What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Pretty Percent. It's spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y with a percent sign. Today, I'm going to be cooking, guess what? One of my favorite dishes. This dish is turkey drumsticks. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. All right, it's time to cook in the kitchen with Pretty Percent. All right, first you'll need to wash off your turkey drumsticks and make sure you pat them dry. Put them in a dish. This is the dish I have it in. I have about 6 turkey drumsticks. And then we're gonna season it. All right, the first seasoning I'm gonna use is garlic powder. You wanna sprinkle that on there, everywhere. Don't be scared to use garlic powder. It's not salty. It just gives all of your food. I don't care what you make, chicken, vegetables, oxtails, neck bones, put some garlic pepper on it. Gonna give it a good taste. I also put some minced garlic. I don't have much left, so I'm gonna pour all of it on here. Rub it on. Oh yeah, I washed my hands before this, so don't y'all come for me in those comments. Rub it on really good. That's what I'm doing. I'm rubbing it in good. I like for my turkey drumsticks to be falling off the bone. I put it on 375 in the oven. You like to bake these for about 2 hours. That's how you get it real tender. So right now we're just massaging it. I learned how to cook watching my mama in the kitchen cook all her soul food dishes. And she got it from her mama. And her mama got it from her mama. Generation after generation. I'm gonna put some onion powder. Watch me work. In order to have a great tender turkey drumstick, you have to season it really good. I start off with the garlic powder. I get it in there really good and rich. Then I use onion powder. I put parsley on it so it can be pretty, because you know parsley really doesn't have a taste to me. I tell everyone that. Then I'm gonna put some black pepper on it, and there's one seasoning that I'm gonna use that I have not used on here before, but it's good. Better than bouillon. I have it all nice and seasoned. You can see that I put it in there really neatly. I got it in a glass dish. I have some olive oil at the bottom, and I rubbed it all over. It looks so good so far, right? We'll see you again in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Again, put it on 375, put it in the oven, cover it up with aluminum foil. When it comes to making a gravy for the turkey drumsticks, I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of flour, that's all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Go ahead and use the turkey gravy pack. I'm gonna also put it in a pot, put some butter in it, stir it all up together, and just simmer and cook it, and gradually add water in it. This is the turkey drumsticks after 1.5 hours. I'm gonna pour the turkey gravy on top. It looks good already, falling off the bones. This is the gravy paste on. We're gonna see how it looks in 30 minutes. All right, let's see how it looks. All right, we're gonna take the top off. Look at these bad boys right here. Meat falling off the bone, gravy melted all in. Like I said, I put it in the oven for about 1.5 hours on 375. Let it cook down. Brought it out. I poured the gravy on top, covered it back up with aluminum foil for about 30 more minutes. Came out looking good, looking great. You don't have to take my word for it. I have an official taste tester. Tell them what you think about my turkey drumsticks.
This is good, pretty percent.
All right, guys, thanks for joining me in the kitchen today as I make some falling off the bone turkey drumsticks. They're so good. They're scrumptious, just falling off the bone. The gravy is good. It was homemade, actually. Ding, by me. But once again, I want you to make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can always know when I drop a new video. And like and share my video also. You could comment below and let me know what you think about my turkey drumsticks. Again, just going over it, make sure you wash off your drumsticks, season it real good, put it in the oven on 375, make sure it's covered up, take it out of the oven, put the gravy on top, put it back in for 30 minutes, take it out, and you're done. Bon appetit. All right, see you next time.
Drink from my sunshine, sip from my rain.